Presido Buhari don't decorate Commander of Guards Brigade with new rank. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don't describe the commander of the Presidential Guards Brigade, Major General Mohammed Usman, as a ogbonge military man. Presido Buhari talked this one as him decorate the commander of the Presidential Guards Brigade with a new rank. Major General Mohammed Usman, who then born for 1971 for Niger State, joined the Nigerian Defense Academy Kaduna for 1990 as member of the 42nd Regular Combatant Course. He graduated with Bachelor of Science for Physics and entered Nigerian Army as Second Lieutenant from 1995. Major General Usman don't participate for plenty operations both home and obodo oyibo. President Buhari conjure plenty praises for the newly decorated officer.
I never had any cause to report you either to the Chief of Army Staff or to the Minister of Defense or to anybody. Having known the military, for me to be virtually absolutely satisfied with your performance, I congratulate you. I don't think I'm an easy man to satisfy. Those who are working close to me know that I'm too demanding. I congratulate you for surviving that.
Major General Mohammed Usman contact President Buhari and promise to remain loyal.
I really thank the President. We shall continue to remain loyal to Mr. President and the constituted authority, because we know our loyalty will go a long way in providing other people's enabling environment to play their own role. The President actually has been of a very great support to Guard Brigade. By that, it means that Guard Brigade is expecting about 420 armor fighting vehicles in Guard Brigade. That has never happened in the history of Guard Brigade. It will really help to secure Abuja, Nasarawa State, which is our area also, and parts of Niger State.
TMC TV News. Make una remember, say your PVC not your power. No, I'm giving the politician on election day.